cut in. See? So now we're gonna do what we did last time. We're gonna put our knee right in there. We can put our knee in there. And then we're gonna bend the bow. And you're gonna slide that string forwards. Let me fix my string here. You're gonna slide that string forwards and pull it tight. And when the bow pulls itself back together, it tightens up that string. Now you got yourself a bow. So now we need to make an arrow. It's much simpler than making a bow, but so here we go. We're gonna go back up into the burn pile. We need to figure out where he is so I don't step on him. I think he's up in here. I'm just gonna make sure so I know where not to step so I don't step on him. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna go look for him. I think he's right here. Yeah. Let me get one more good look. Oh yeah, I see him. Y'all see him up in there? He's way up in there. So I'm gonna walk this way a little bit so I don't step on him. Hopefully not to fall through, land on top of him. So that's what I'm being careful for. Here we go. Here we go, right here. Yeah. That one's gonna be great. So I have a bow that's already pre-made. It's gonna be a little short, but it'll work. So I got me an arrow. It's nice and straight. So now we're gonna hop down. Whoa. Yeah, see what I'm saying there? You fall through. My foot fell through. Alright. About had a fumble there. So now we got our arrow shaft. Okay, so now we're gonna take our knife. We're gonna set that aside. And so now we're gonna just cut off the shoots just like that. Okay, so now we got it cut off. So now we're gonna cut it right about there. This is gonna be a short arrow. You don't want them too long. So I'm gonna cut it. This one's about a foot and 1 inch long. So I'm just gonna cut it right about there. Like I said, cut, break. Well, this one's not wanting to break. Alright, so there we go. Alright, we got our arrow shaft now. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to stand it up just like this. We're going to stand it up like this. And we're going to cut it not perfectly in the middle. We'll cut a little bit to the side. You'll see in a minute. You're going to want to cut into it. Some people may use this method. Just put their knife on top. Well, that's just staking it into the ground. So, let me get a big stick. There we go. Okay, so now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put our knife right there and whack. Just like that. And just like that. So, and then you're gonna have 3 little pieces in there. You're gonna have the 2 outer pieces and 1 inner piece. So now you're gonna want to try and break that out. I'm gonna be trying, or you could just leave it in and take a small stick. We're gonna use this. We're gonna take it. We're gonna stick it right down in there. Make sure you got it real thin stick. You're gonna slide it down in there. Not too much to where it'll flop around on the string, but just enough, just like that. And now we're gonna throw that to the side. Now we're going to just saw it off because we don't need the extra. Well, that didn't work. We're just gonna break it. Use manpower. Okay, so now we're gonna slide it right down in there. And now we're gonna take it. And boom, cut it off. We're gonna do the same on this side. So what happened there is it broke out. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it just like that. Get it nice, just like that. And now we can take it and we can slide it right in there and then pull it back, fire it, just like that. So now I'm gonna go find somewhere to mount the camera and shoot the bow. See how far it shoots. So I'm gonna mount the camera. I'm gonna mount the camera right here. Give me just a second. Okay, that's not working. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount it right there. Okay. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna slide it right in there. You can pull it back. We fire it. It's not made to go super far, but it shoots. It shot about 20 feet. So that's where I'm gonna call off the video, and that's it. So leave in the comments what you want me to do next, and don't forget to like and subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.